This year, Kazakhstan Paramount Engineering celebrates its 10th anniversary. Over this period, the project that was launched has become one of the symbols of the country's engineering sector. The challenging years taught us to withstand the test of time and to fulfill our responsibilities with precision. Every challenge led to new solutions, and every solution opened the way to new achievements. 10 years became a period in which metal and technology, human thought and craftsmanship came together. Now let us look at the key stages of this journey. December 11, 2013. In the Special Economic Zone of Astana, a groundbreaking ceremony for the future plant was held with the participation of the company's founder, Aybek Iderli. Construction works were carried out in 20,142,015. Within 2 years, a modern production facility with a total area of 13,500 square meters was built. 7 large and 2 small processing machines for cutting, turning, and bending were put into operation. Approximately 100 people were employed. Assembly engineers, technologists, machine operators, mechanical drivers, painting and welding specialists began production. This historic moment was captured on November 27, 2015, when armored metal was welded for the first time. On November 30th, the official opening ceremony of the plant took place. The event was attended by the first president of Kazakhstan, Nursultan Abashali Nazarbayev, who highly appreciated the work of the craftsmen producing vehicles from steel raw materials and gave his blessing. The effective implementation of technology depended on the professional qualifications of the first generation of young specialists. For this reason, internship programs were launched at leading production facilities in South Africa, France, Israel, Italy, China, Turkey, and the United Arab Emirates. This practice continues uninterrupted to this day. In April 2016, the first tangible result was achieved. The first Arlen vehicle was produced. In accordance with the request of the ground forces, 6 vehicles were manufactured and delivered in August to the garrisons of Kapchagi, Almaty, and Taldykorgan. By the end of the year, a total of 36 vehicles were produced and personally driven by mechanical drivers. 2 remote military units. The State Security Service became one of the first institutions to accept the Arlen. Since the start of production, special purpose units have remained reliable partners. The Arlen made a strong impression on specialists at an arms and defense exhibition held in Russia, demonstrating high maneuverability in difficult terrain and strong technical characteristics. It attracted the attention of military professionals. That same year at the KADEX exhibition in Astana, the Berry's 66 and 88 models were presented for the first time. These next-generation vehicles were developed as part of a joint project with the participation of Kazakh engineers. In February 2017, the first public demonstration of the Arlen vehicles took place at the Abay training ground. The vehicle proved its ability to operate continuously in temperatures ranging from 50°C to plus 50°C. During these tests, a memorable incident occurred. A pregnant woman was safely rescued from a snow-covered village with the help of Arlen vehicles. At the military parade dedicated to the 25th anniversary of independence, Arlen combat vehicles marched through the capital for the first time. The technical expertise of the engineers attracted the attention of military commanders, and the Aristan Special Unit placed an order for Arlen vehicles. Developing a versatile and highly mobile vehicle was set as the main requirement. That same year, the light armored tactical vehicle Alan 1 entered serial production at the plant. 15 vehicles were delivered to the State Security Service and the National Security Committee. By the end of the year, factory tests of the Berry's 88 vehicles began. The vehicles were tested under fire, in water, and in challenging terrain conditions, after which they were submitted to the Ministry of Defense for military evaluation. At the Spask training ground near Karaganda, testing of the Berry's 66 prototype began. This process continued until July 2023. The level of localization was gradually increased and exceeded 70% within 10 years. The 100th Arlen vehicle was produced. In 2019, electrical systems began to be designed domestically. Previously imported components were produced at the plant, reducing costs by 4 to 5 times. Control software was developed. Vehicles were equipped with automatic tire inflation systems, fire suppression systems, and toxic air filtration systems. Today, AI-based video surveillance systems are being integrated. That same year, the domestically developed Answer Combat module was presented for the first time. All products were fully patented, and an R&D department was established. To date, 6 patents have been obtained. In 2020, production was halted for 4 weeks due to the COVID-19 pandemic. But by the end of the year, 30 vehicles were produced. In 2021, the Berries 66 entered mass production and was delivered to security agencies. On March 10, 2022, President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev visited the plant and emphasized the strategic importance of the domestic defense industry. That same year, the fully domestic Allen-2 platform was developed. To date, approximately 80 units have been produced. The Allen-2 was tested in the Almaty, Pavlodar, and Mangistau regions, covering 12,949 kilometers, and was presented at the International 8X exhibition. On October 30, 2023, the Berries 66 and Allen-2 were officially accepted into service. On December 14, 2023, the Sunkar weapons module was also officially adopted. In September 2024, the Berries 88, equipped with the Answer module, entered the inventory of the armed forces. In April 2025, the first 3 units of the Berries 88 were showcased during the parade marking the 80th anniversary of victory. The Allen-2 was upgraded to meet MRAP standards. The first presentation of the amphibious Terex Berries 88 vehicle also took place, launching joint production with Singapore Street Engineering. During the final tests, despite explosions equivalent to 10 to 50 kilograms of TNT, the vehicle's structural integrity was preserved. This confirmed the engineer's principle of human safety first. The 10-year journey of Kazakhstan Paramount Engineering is not just the end of one stage, but the beginning of a new era.